Welcome back to Design Bundles YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Crystal, and today we are going to sublimate a mug. So everybody loves a coffee mug and everybody loves humor. So we have actually designed for you guys the Funny Craft Bundle Volume 6. So we have created a bundle for you guys and it is only $15. This bundle, everything together, normally would cost you $193.97 for $15. So you guys have a limited amount of time to purchase this at that value. So make sure you guys check it out. Now you see that I have 34 days as I'm recording this, but by the time you see it, it may be at 15 days and it may be at 1 or 2 days. So make sure you guys definitely snag it while you can. And if you miss it, you can still individually purchase these files. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. So let me go ahead and show you really quickly. We are using this bundle inside of this bundle today, and we're gonna be using the one that says, I hope karma slaps you in the face before I do. So cute. Now I am somebody, there's some really cool introvert designs. I do got to show you guys those. So if you guys are somebody, it would surprise you because I actually teach and it seems like I'm a people person, but I am somebody that is very, I just kind of keep to myself and I'm shy until I get out in the group of people and I'm having a great time. Like for example, my husband tricked me a few weekends ago. We went riding our ATV with was supposed to be one other couple and possibly one other, and as we were pulling in, more and more people just kept piling in, and I was like, I guess this is where everybody parks. No, we were all together. There was a total of, I mean, it was pretty close to 20 ATVs. My husband says around 10 or 15 ATVs and like 3 4-wheelers. Either way, I had a great time. But the point is, if you guys are an introvert like I am, there's some really cool designs here. Making sure this guy stays awake. So the point of this one is it says, I hate morning people or mornings or people. I love it. Number one is so cute. It has the leopard print. And then this one's really cute too because it says, my job is super top secret even if I don't know what I'm doing. So stinking cute. And you can see there's so many more. Now let me show you the designs that I was talking about. Let's see here, right here. Perfect for t-shirts, mugs, signs. It says, it's a beautiful day to leave me alone. Sorry, I'm late. I didn't want to come. I really love this one right here, the introvert. I think that would be really cute on even a sweatshirt for this winter would be really cute. So lots and lots of those. So as you guys can see here, this bundle is loaded. So if you guys are going to purchase one of our bundles and you guys have been wanting to try a bundle, there is hundreds of thousands of designs right here inside of this bundle, and it's only 15 bucks. So make sure you guys definitely check it out. All of our designs come with a commercial use, so that is amazing as well. You guys are going to be able to sell these products as well. You guys can make stuff to sell. So these may be some items that you want to sell as well. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. So I'm using that Cricut mug press, which you guys have obviously heard it heat up and beep. And so with the Cricut mug press, you guys can actually sublimate 2 different sizes. So you have the Cricut, I want to say they call this their 12 ounce. So the normal standard is like 11 ounce, but this is the 12 ounce and this is 15 ounce. So Cricut does give you 2 different options. Now, if you guys are new to the Cricut mug press, you can sublimate any brand. It doesn't have to be the Cricut, so that's really awesome too. So depending on how much coffee you guys drink, or whatever size you guys want to carry, if you're selling these or whatever, you can go with that. Now, me, I like a big cup of coffee, so I'm gonna go with the 15 ounce here. You guys could do a full wrap with these or even do 2 different designs. So you guys could put one design on the front, one on the back, or the same on each side. You could personalize it. You could put the design and then maybe put crystal on the back or whatever, or even your logo. So if you have a brand, you can put your logo on the back as well. All right, so a few things I have, some heat gloves. The handle stays cold to the touch, but you may want some heat gloves. These ones are from Amazon. They're really good. They're 6 bucks. I've got some heat tape and I've got a ruler. So in order to find your size and how big you want to do this, what I like to do is take the a measuring ruler here and I'll measure across just like this to figure out, okay, I want it to be around 4 inches wide, no bigger than, let's say right up here, usually around about 3.5, 3.75. Now I made this design very big and bulky, very big and chunky, if you will. I love it. So the first thing you want to do, make sure your heat press is on and ready to go. You want to clean this off. I've already done so. And then we're going to go ahead and line this up. Now you can definitely just take something like this to prop up the one side to help with that handle. We're going to get us 2 pieces of tape. So if you already pull your tape, even my tape dispenser, and I have this tape dispenser because you guys ask about this tape dispenser all of the time. I have it linked down below as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our design and we're gonna make sure that everything's even. So I'm just making sure everything looks good. And once I do, I'm gonna start taping down one side. So I'm gonna get this side first, and then I'm gonna tape down the next. And that's it. You don't need a full piece of tape all the way down each side. Something just about like that looks good. So the other thing you want to pay attention to is, do you drink your coffee in your right hand? Then you're going to want your design here. If you drink in your left hand, you'll want your design here. And that may be something you give an option. If you're selling, you can ask people right or left. All right, so now that we have that design, we're going to go ahead and drop this guy down in here, just like so. And make sure this is right about there, and then we're gonna go ahead and press. So if you just pull this down, it's got 5 beeps here. So once again, if you guys are new to the Cricut mug press, I really love it because I don't have to set my time, I don't have to set the temp, and I know that it's going to perfectly do exactly what it needs to do. So I absolutely love it. Once again, you can use whatever brand you want to. There is even glitter mugs, so you guys can sublimate those as well. We even have tutorials here on the channel as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this go because it's gonna take an entire 5 minutes. I put up 10, like 10. It's gonna take an entire 5 minutes, so we'll be right back. All right, so while we're waiting, we are on our very last minute. I wanted to show you guys really quick. I keep my pins in this one. We did this video a while back. And so this is a glitter one, as you guys can see. So we'll have those linked down below as well. All right, so once again, your handle stays cool to the touch. So you wanna go ahead and grab this out and set it here. You wanna let it cool down, but I always just peel it. So it's totally up to you, but the biggest thing is this cup is 400 degrees. So definitely be super duper careful. All right, so what we wanna do is take our weeding tool here, and we're just gonna go ahead and get this tape up here. So very carefully without scratching our mug. Once you get one side, the other side's gonna be super duper easy. As you guys can see, how stinking cute is this? Go ahead and take this. You want to take your little glove here. You want to actually put it on. But there you guys have it. How stinking cute is that? I hope karma slaps you in the face before I do. I love the colors. You guys already know I love the leopard print there. It is absolutely adorable. And this is with that 15-ounce mug. And as you can see, I've printed out another one. Now, the really cool thing is I actually used Canva. You can also use our program Designscape if you wanted to, if you guys are a Gold Plus member. And so what I did was I added both of these to an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper so that way I could print them at the same time. But what you could do is you could take all of those designs and load them on there, size them out to what you need, and you can print them all out. Or for example, if I was doing 20 of these, I could add those and print those out. So that way, once again, I can utilize my paper and save and print out multiple at one time. And then again, you could print 2 different designs on either side, or you guys could do the same design on both sides. You could put your logo, your name, you name it. So you guys definitely have to check out this funny bundle while you guys can. It's linked down below for you guys. Lots of good stuff, including that rug, like I said, we have done before. Make sure you guys check that tutorial out. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.